Happy Thanksgiving from all of us at Rocky Mountain BioAg. As you gather with friends and family around the table, we're thankful for you, our incredible community of growers, farmers, and green thumbs. Your passion for growing sustainably inspires us every day. Here's to a season filled with gratitude, bountiful harvests, and the joy of giving. From our family to yours, have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Black Friday mega sale announcement. We know you've been gearing up for those Black Friday deals, but we think you deserve more. Here's the big news. Starting now, we've slashed prices on every single item across our store to bring you wholesale pricing. Yes, that means everyone. Whether you're growing a few plants or farming thousands of acres, you will now pay less for the best organic and biological products on the market. No gimmicks, no hidden fees. Just unbeatable prices so you can focus on what you do best, growing healthy, sustainable crops. Don't miss this chance to save big while investing in your soil and plants. Shop now and experience the difference at Rocky Mountain BioAg, because you should never have to pay more to grow better. Let the savings and the growing begin.